Hello everyone, this is Akshay. I welcome you all to my very first lecture of the course, which is on SAE Baha. In this course, we will go through the different phases of this competition from very beginning to the last, from team making to the endurance. We will go through the various departments, data needed, how to start designing, suspension, steering, roll cage, brakes and powertrain. We will go through all of these, but now first of all we should have an idea about what is SAE, what is SAE India, events organized by SAE, and what is SAE Baha. So what is SAE? SAE International, previously known as the Society of Automotive Engineers, is a US based globally active professional association and standards developing organization for engineering professionals in various industries. We also have a branch of SAE International in our India, that is known as SAE India. SAE India is a strategic alliance partner of SAE International, registered in India as an Indian non-profit engineering and scientific society dedicated to the advancement of the mobility industry in India. There are various events organized by SAE. SAE conducts various types of events, competition, to encourage students to gain knowledge about automobiles and mobility, and some of the renowned competitions are such as SAE Supra, which is organized with the support of Maruti Suzuki, SAE Baha, which is include M Baha and E Baha both, which is organized with the support of Mahindra, SAE Aero Design Challenge, etc. Now the question is, why should we join SAE India or we participate in SAE competition, and how SAE events help college students? SAE India revolutionized the life of an ordinary college student. It gives a platform to fulfill dream of to get knowledge about automobile, helps to form a team and to collaborate with it, also give platform to express your thought with others and to prevent yourself. It gives the experience of the real life problems faced in manufacturing. It not only enrich your technical knowledge, that is engineering knowledge, but also enrich your personality to be a professional. It will add fun in your life, and by this you can utilize your time, which we generally waste without doing anything productive. It will always give an edge over students who want to be a good engineer, but their focus is only on study, not at its application part. It will lead you over other candidates in your campus placement. You have something good to present in front of interviewer, which can drag the attention of the interviewer towards it. Now at the last of this lecture, we are going to talk about Baha SAE India competition. Baha SAE India is a student level competition that has its roots outside India. Baha primarily focuses on out of classroom education system, in which engineering students from all over India participate as a team. The goal of each team is to design and build a prototype of a rugged single-seat off-road four-wheel vehicle that has to go through multiple tests and then compete in an endurance race. Thank you.